Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox one more product, that is a MI branded new headset. We are going to unbox it. It is available on MI website as well as Amazon. But I ordered it from Amazon because it delivers quickly. I ordered this yesterday in the night and I got this product in the afternoon. So let's unbox this product and see. So guys, we can see all MI products comes in orange box, and both sides of this box we can see MI super based wireless headsets. The front side we can see MI logo, and it says 20 hours playback time and 40 dynamic drives, light and comfort fit, Bluetooth 5.0. So this is front side, and the back side of this box we can see some specifications like color is black and gold, input is 5 volts 1 amp, impedance is 32 ohms, net weight 150 grams, wireless range is 10 meters. That means we can use this device without hassle-free connection up to 10 meters. Charging time is 2 hours, standby time is 200 hours. And this box contains one headset, one charging cable, one AUX cable and one user manual. So guys, we have two seals on this box. Let's open this box and see. This box opens from the back side as you see, and here we go, we have our headset, Bluetooth headset, and some cables. Let's open this pack. So we got one micro USB cable and one AUX cable and one user manual. So this is our MI headset, which is colored in black. Most of the part is black and some parts are in gold, as we can see. And this feels very plastic in hands, and these are very soft cushions. Yep, overall impression is okay, not so bad. And here we have some adjustments. Yep, so we can see here it's adjust to our ears. It's good, and we don't have a rotatable headsets. It's good that we can stretch up to very long distance like this. We can stretch up to here. Good. Just feel like this. And on the bottom of this headset we can see one micro USB and one AUX cable and one mic and one noise cancellation. So why this AUX means we can use the AUX cable for the devices which don't have Bluetooth. So we can directly use it from AUX as well and Bluetooth as well. So here we have some buttons. One is for play, pause and volume up and down. So inside of these earphones we can see it's a right side and it's left side here, and that's all. We have a cushion here, the top. It's very nice. Both sides of this earphones we can see MI logo, which is very nicely designed. This MI logo looks very beautiful. It's gold in color and with a dotted background. It's very beautiful. Let's connect this headset with my mobile. Let's see. have my MI mobile, so let's connect. So for pairing, I need to do a long press on this power button. So if I do a long press, I can see a blue light is blinking here. Earlier I thought it was a microphone, but it's not a microphone. I think it's a microphone and it's a power indicator. So now it's blinking, it means it says for pairing. If it's continuously blinks, it means it's asked for pairing. So here we can see MI Super Bass wireless headset. So I'm connecting this. So pair. We can see after pairing, this light blinks very slowly. So let's try to play some music. I like the quality of this sound. The bass is very nice. We can hear the sound. So overall I say it's a very good product. The sound quality and the bass quality is very nice. If I press next button, we'll see if the song changes. No, it's only I think I need to do a long press, because if I simply press single time, it's just power up and down. If I do a long press, yep, now the song changes. I will power off. You can see a red color, I think. Yep. So that's all, guys. This is all about MI Bluetooth headset. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and do a like, share and comments. Thank you guys.